This is your Island News Break. I'm Lance Corporal Francis Candelaria. The use of chemical weapons has kept the American military on their toes since World War I. During that war, a total of 88,500 Americans died from gas attacks. Recently, Marines on Okinawa donned mop gear and left the classroom for the field.
3, 4, 5.
Marines from Fatema's Marine Aviation Wing 36 spent 2 days learning about chemical, reconnaissance, and avoidance. Their third day dealt with a scenario where they would be tested on what they learned.
The mission of this class was to make sure that Marines are able to conduct normal wartime operations and also restore mission essential tasks. We're teaching everything that they need to know, pretty much a little history on chemical, biological weapons, how to protect themselves from radiological contamination, how to find radiological contamination, how to find chemical contamination, how to avoid said contamination, and how to properly protect themselves.
The Marines scanned the area for chemicals after an attack, only to be bombarded with mouthwash-filled water balloons.
In this type of environment, if you go down, you're gonna be in some serious trouble. This is for combat readiness to make sure all your Marines are prepared to deal with working and continuing operations in a hazardous chemical environment.
After a Marine is contaminated, he goes through a long decontamination process.
This is important because chemical attacks, it's a very real thing. Right now in Afghanistan, they've been being hit with phosgene oxide, which is a blister agent, and this is very important for all the Marines to know. They need to know how to protect themselves, they need to know how to protect others, and they need to know how to continue on with their mission in a CBRN environment.
After the wounded Marine was decontaminated, any Marine who had come in contact with him also had to be decontaminated. Lance Corporal Michael Krasinski, Fatema Air Station, Okinawa.
Around 50 Marines participated in the training, and that's your Island News Break.